Only invest in what you understand and invest with a minimum of a 5 to 10 year time horizon, okay? And Warren Buffett once said, only buy something that you'd be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. And when I used to work in the hedge fund industry at Citadel, my boss, Carson Levitt, who's my mentor as well, my boss, Carson Levitt, told me about this brilliant man named Peter Lynch, who ran Fidelity's flagship mutual fund called the Magellan Fund in the 80s and 90s, okay, in the pre-regulation FD days when mutual funds had an edge over us retail investors. Now, Peter Lynch published a book, this book here, where he talks about how you must invest in companies where you've used the product. And the reason he said that is because if you understand this product well, you can understand if it might be more relevant or less relevant longer term. And so before investing in a stock, as part of your research, ask yourself this question, please. In 5 years, will this company that you're considering investing in and their products be more relevant or less relevant than they are today? And by asking yourself that question, it'll stop you from getting seduced into buying stocks only because the valuation is cheap. The valuation might be cheap for a reason, which could be because the company is becoming less relevant. For example, years ago, you might have wanted to buy Yahoo stock because it was cheap versus Google. Well, if you asked yourself years ago, would you be using Google or Yahoo more often in search in 5 years? What would your answer have been? Of course, the answer would have been Google. And another example is my beloved Canadian company called Research in Motion that made the BlackBerry phone. And years ago, after you bought your first iPhone or Android handset, you could have asked yourself, would you be using a BlackBerry device or an iPhone in 5 years? And of course, the answer is you'd be using an iPhone or your Android handset. Now, what about companies where you don't use the products? Well, you can do your research and talk to people that use those products. Otherwise, don't invest in those stocks. And my boss at Citadel used to always say, Chris, if you can't explain it, you don't understand it. And if you don't understand it, you can't do well investing in that company.